What's up my peoples, it's Mohammed here from tekkerreviews, back again with another video. And today I am super happy to announce my unboxing, first impressions and startup video of the brand new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now I honestly could not wait to get hold of this phone and I'm really glad I get to share this moment with you guys. So if you enjoyed today's video, then please show your boy some love by hitting that like button below. I'm planning to create a video series on the S22 Ultra, which will include a camera, S Pen, case and full in-depth review, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications to keep you up to date each time I release a new vid. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Right guys, so as we always do on the channel, first things first, let's check out the packaging. Now I opted for the Phantom Black version and went for the 512 gigs of memory with 12 gigs of RAM. So on front you have the S22 followed by the product name towards the bottom. Towards the back, you have some device and company info, as well as the Samsung logo on the side, and that's pretty much it guys. Now, based on the size of the packaging, I already know there isn't going to be a power brick included inside, which is pretty much the standard nowadays, which I still think sucks. But from what I've seen online, I know that Samsung sell a separate 45-watt charger, which you can purchase separately. Now, in addition to that, I'm also going to presume that there is no headphones included inside, which again would have been nice, considering that you're paying more than $1,000 for a mobile phone, but I guess we just gotta deal with this standard nowadays. Now once opened, the first thing you will see is this beautiful Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, which actually has got a lot of mixed opinions regarding the design, especially when it comes to the back cameras, which personally I think look great, but again that's down to your own preference. Now before we go into the next items included, let's just remove the front and back covers. Damn, this phone is awesome. So going back to the rest of the items, you have this small compartment inside, which has a SIM ejector tool on the back, followed by paper inside, as well as one USB-C to USB-C cable. So just make sure you have a power adapter at home that supports this. Unfortunately in my case, I only have ones that support USB-A, so that's another thing I guess I need to buy. And that's pretty much it guys. Now in this section guys, I'm just going to run through the complete startup menu from boot to homepage. Now usually whenever I review products, I like to give a full breakdown after using it for a couple of days. However, I'm going to save that for a future video, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications so you can watch that video as soon as it's released. So back to the S22 Ultra, I'm just going to start off by powering the device, and we should then see the Samsung Galaxy logo appear. Okay, so we're going to press the start button to kick things off. Here we're going to select language, so in my case, I'm going to select English from the United Kingdom, and then hit next. Now the next screen is regarding information on the privacy policy. Here I'm going to select agree to all and press next. Next screen is regarding permissions for apps and services. Again here I'm going to press more and then agree. Now here the phone will ask you to connect to your Wi-Fi network. I was going to skip this step since the option was there, but it looks like you either need a Wi-Fi or cellular network. Since I don't have my SIM card inserted at this stage, I ended up connecting to my Wi-Fi network off camera. The next screen is regarding service provider setup, which requires a restart, so I just went ahead and did that. Once done, you will then be prompted to copy apps and data using an older device. In this case, I'm going to migrate everything from my Galaxy Fold to the S22 Ultra. Once you hit next, you will then see a smart switch logo appear, followed by an option to select the phone's operating source. Here just select Galaxy Android and then agree to terms and conditions. Next, I will then select the connection type. Now quick warning here guys, if you have a cable on hand, then definitely use this instead, as I ended up going for wireless, which took around 3 to 4 hours to fully complete. But yeah, just a quick FYI on that. As you can see, I ended up selecting wireless, which then prompted me to load the Smart Switch app on my older device. Now once you have Smart Switch loaded on your older device, both devices should then pick one another up. At this point, just hit agree to begin the transfer process. Once the S22 collects the data which needs to be transferred over, you can then select the data you want to send. In my case, I'm just going to do everything and then select next. Here I'm going to transfer my accounts and select next. Next page is Google terms and conditions, which I'm going to agree and then hit next. Select the default search engine, which for me is going to be Google, and then hit next. Now at this point, you want to set up your phone security, which includes face recognition, fingerprints, patterns, PIN and password. Just to start with, I'm going to set up my fingerprint and 4-digit PIN. Now for some reason, when I selected fingerprint straight away, it asked me to create a lock screen PIN first, so I'm just going to do that. Next up, scan your fingerprint. Now you can either set one or multiple, so in case you wanted both thumbs to unlock your phone. On the next screen, you can then set up Google Assistant. Now since I have Alexa, I'm just going to hit skip, press skip again, and now you should see a message on screen getting your new S22 ready. Now here we have the lock screen, which will then require you to log into your Samsung account. Once your credentials are entered, you will then need to enter a code sent to your previous Samsung device. Once entered, hit finish, and voila, the home screen has now appeared. Now guys, as mentioned before, I'm going to create a separate video on the S Pen, camera and full in-depth review, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications. I'm Mohammed from Tekker Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.